What's up, guys? Welcome to another fantastic video on this payment processor series that I just started. Okay, so guys, in today's video we are going to look at various ways you can accept payment using your PayPal business account. So in the previous video I showed you exactly the difference between PayPal personal and PayPal business, and I've also walked you through how to easily accept goods and services payments. But in today's video, like I said, we are going to be looking at various ways you can accept payment using your PayPal business account. So there are various ways you can actually accept payment using your business account with PayPal. So I'm going to cover everything in today's video. So one popular way you can accept payment using your personal PayPal account is to provide your email address, is to give the sender your email address, so that way the person can easily send payment into your personal into your business PayPal account. But that one is like the primary, like that is the easiest way to accept payments. But let's explore some of the options that are available, that some of you might not know that actually exists with your PayPal business account. So one way is this paypal.me link here. You can actually accept payment using this paypal.me link. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this section where you can see here, help people know it's you they are paying, with a photo and unique link. People can see you have a PayPal account. So you can actually create a paypal.me profile and give somebody your paypal.me link, and the person pays you using paypal.me. I think these methods are actually even way better in my own opinion, because they can actually help you accept payment, and it won't be as though it's even for goods and services, you understand. So the payment could be in form of family and friends, which is one of the best ways to receive PayPal payment if you have a new account, because you don't want to go ahead to start having issues with your PayPal account. So paypal.me is a very fantastic way to create to accept payment using your PayPal account, and it's simple. Just click on create paypal.me profile. I don't want to do that right now. I'm going to calm down to do it, or I'm going to even walk you guys through how to create paypal.me profile link separately on another video. But right now you can do that and get paid. So another one is through this pay link and buttons. Okay, so very simple or very similar. If you go to pay me links and buttons, you can create links and buttons and send to your customers. So that way they are able to pay you. As you can see here, you can actually create a link or a QR code, or you can actually create a PayPal button, as you can see here, and this button looks like this. Now before you can go ahead to start using this PayPal buttons or PayPal link, that means you are using, like, you are an e-commerce platform, or you have a website, or you have like let's say like an email newsletter where you can actually send out people the links and they can click on it. So for this link, you just need to enter the name here, the description, and set the price, your price, set the quantity, the image. If you want to add new image, as you can see, this one just appeared, this one just came here and it's new. So as you can see, it's new, so it says here new. So you can add up to 5 photos, okay, for the images, and you can see more options here: customers note, ID, variants. This one is actually fantastic, and this method of payment is good for e-commerce store owners, or digital products owners, or if you are selling something that you actually need to make it very professional. So you can actually send out a link instead of just telling them pay me with my email address. You can create these things and in form of this PayPal links or PayPal button. The difference is just there. The link should just come in a link, so you're going to get the link after you've done everything, and the button will come in form of a button. As you can see here, you can pay, they can click on the buttons, check out or PayPal link, and it's simple for them. Or you can actually select between two buttons, stocked button or single button, where you just see buy now. Very simple. All these ones I'm going to explore this on other videos where I might specifically be talking about each and every one of them on a separate videos, how you can efficiently and maximum and use it maximum, like use it to the fullest. Okay, so you can create a buy now or pay or checkout. I mean, so many things you can do with this option. So let's go back. Let me show you some of the other ways you can actually get paid using your PayPal business account, because that's exactly what we are trying to get in this video. Okay, so I've talked about PayPal, the me link. I've talked about PayPal payment and buttons. Another one is through this online checkout. So you can, if you click on it, it's going to bring you to this section where you can, get paid through a checkout form or link. So it's simple. Just click on get started and you can go ahead to start doing that. You can choose have a customly built website. You can choose it, or set up PayPal pay links and buttons. You can embed it to your website or anywhere. You get it. So, but for you to use this online checkout, of course, you need to have like a website or like something, a website related kind of thing where you can actually, implement or integrate this option. So these are very, very various ways and very, very simple ways you can actually receive payment with your PayPal business account. So another good one is through this request money. This one is actually one of my favorites because it's simple. You just send a payment request to whoever you want, the person that is going to pay you, and they get the payment request and they pay you easily from their PayPal. So all you just need to for this one is to enter your name, username or email address or phone number, and that's it. They pay you. So if I click on this, let's say I want to send this for this, it's going to tell me, do I want to request money from this account? I'll say yes. I'll click on next, and then I need to enter the amount I want to request from this user. So it's simple, very, very, very much simple to use to receive payment using this method. Now, once we've done this, you can add someone else or tell them what the payment is for, and click on request payment, and they are going to get this request stuff immediately. And from there, they just click a link and send you the payment, and you receive it immediately, instantly. Very, very, very easy way to send money professionally using PayPal. Okay, so another one is through invoicing. So you can actually create invoice and send to your client, and they pay you using the invoice. So these are various methods you can receive payment with PayPal. So if I click on that invoice like I did, you're gonna see I don't have any invoice, but I can actually create invoice. If I click on it, then I need to enter all of these details: customer name, the item I'm selling, then note to your customers. You can add your terms and condition, reference number, memo, or you upload stuff if you want to upload. Then you see the summary of everything you selected, and you can actually allow partial payment if you want, or you allow tip if you want them to tip you. Okay, you allow that, and after which you can see these are various the various ways your customer can pay. And if everything is good to you, just click on send the invoice, or you can actually download the invoice and send. You can actually use other currencies if you want to from here. Okay, you can select currency that you want your customers to be able to pay you in, so you can select those currencies here. Very simple, guys. These are some of the very, very, very easy ways to accept payment using your PayPal business account. And that's exactly what this series is all about, because I'm going to be opening your eye and show you different things. Then if you want, you can also explore some of the business tools that are available for your PayPal business account. So these are various ways you can accept payment using your PayPal business account, which is not only limited to just your email address. I'm sure some of you, most of you, it's only your email address, but some of these methods are here for you to use, and they are even more better and safe, because that way people won't question the payment a lot. But using the typical email address and that's it, they might keep questioning you that you might not be able to have some of the required document that they might need from you, and your account will end up having issues. But some of these methods are very, very good, because it's actually will define exactly what the payment is for, and people already knows that because you are using some of their integrated tools, and that way it's even more safe for you to use that this method, so that you can actually receive your payment easily. So guys, is this video helpful? Please like it, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss videos on this series. Okay, so I'm happy to make this video, and I'll be making more videos. I'm talking about so many other stuff for you guys that you need to know. So make sure you watch the next one so that you get updated. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys on the next one.